Alright, y'all, welcome back. Let's do this real quick. Just got a box, came in, fresh, hot off the press. I've been waiting for these to come in. I ordered another pair of speakers that I had for these. I didn't like them. They just looked a little too preeny for me. Puny, peeny, tiny. The RMS, what they said in the advertisement versus when they came to me didn't quite line up, so sent those back. Anyway, you can see where it's from, right? And look, I'm gonna tell you guys something real quick before we get into opening these boxes. I would have to say, from the audio companies or any companies that I order stuff from, these guys have like the craziest tape and they do the best taping job ever. So shout out to you guys for that. But anyway, let's go ahead and bust this open and see what we got in here. All right. All right. Now, what we got here, first thing right on top, we got a receipt for me. We got a Down4sound sticker. All right. It's the second one I got because that's the second product I've ordered from these guys. All right. Some packaging inside. I don't really care about packaging. As long as it's good, I'm happy, dude. I don't care if the box is dented and stuff. I'm good. Joe, let's pull these out and check these joints out. Alright. Now, these are something that's pretty new from these guys, I think. Or newer from these guys. It's called the Hexicone Pros. This is a 6.5. And it is a 4 ohm unit. Let's see, what does it say here? RMS power is 150 to 200 watts RMS. Sensitivity, this is one of the reasons why I got this, was 93 decibel, 1 watt, 1 meter. Now what does that mean? As far as I know, not a pro, been around doing this for a bit, but 93 decibels, 1 watt going in with a microphone placed, or a dB meter placed a meter away. I believe a meter is either 3 or 3.3 feet. Whatever. I think it's 3.3 because meter I think is metric. Anyway, let's go ahead and bust these bad boys open and check them out. Box looks pretty cool. Actually, the other unit that I bought from the box is pretty cool too. But here we go. Pow! Open it up. All right. Come on, girl. All right. To start the show, let's not waste no time. I mean, it looks good. First, let's just check out and see that cone, huh? That is a cool looking cone. I mean, I like it. It looks pretty cool. But this was one thing for me that makes a difference. Now, they offer this in a Neo magnet. I wasn't going to spring the extra change for the Neo magnet. I understand they may be better. I think I need to catch up with times, but the price was more than double. So, or pretty close to double. I wasn't going to do that. But, here we go. Look at that. Nice, thick, you know, pretty substantial size magnet. All right. It does have push terminals and they feel good. The leads aren't sewn in, but I don't think that's a big deal. I think that's only something people really want on subwoofers. But yeah, man, check that out. I mean, that's she's a good looking driver. I can't wait to get her installed. I'm gonna get them dropped into the Tacoma, and we're gonna hear them with the head unit power, and then we're gonna wire up the Down4sound amp to go along with the 6x9s that was installed in the front. But that's about it. Real quick, real fast. Just wanted to bring that to you. Boom, there you go. Down4sound.